Welcome to Plinko, a game focused on improving your maximum range of motion and strength. The goal of Plinko is to drop the ball so that it falls into the bucket with the most points. Press the next button when you are ready for the next instruction. First, you'll select where at the top of the screen you want to initially drop the ball by pressing anywhere in the Press Here button. Press Next. Next, you'll need to complete an exercise. You'll see your controller pop up on screen and be asked to do a movement. Follow the instructions closely and try your best. Press Next. After you release the ball, it will fall down the screen and bounce off pegs as it goes until it lands in one of the buckets at the bottom. Press Next. Repeat this process and try to get as many points as possible. Good luck, big money, no whammy.